happy to bring these videos of how to install our products. To hook up multiple cans together, we make a product called a can coupler. Ideally, what we can do, most companies will not lift using your center, the front center lift bar. So we can leave this permanently. Just take it, put it around, take our PTO pin, and pin this one on place. Now we're set, either one can one week, 2 cans the next week. We can actually hook up multiple cans either with our double or any of our single units. So now that we have the can coupler mounted to the lift arm in the front, anytime we need to hook up another can, we will just simply hook the two like that. Put our PTO pin, which keep in mind if it's stiff, you can bend them out a little bit and make it a little easier to put it on. You drop the PTO pin in either one of the center holes, latch it, and now they're hooked together and you can daisy chain multiple ones together.